Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 11 of our 30-day of smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing my classic mango and orange smoothie, and I'll be doing a little healthy additions to that as well. So in case if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button and hit the bell notification as well so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. Okay, so first ingredient which we are using today is orange, and this is a great citrus food and it's rich in vitamin C and also high in fiber. Next up, I'm going to add the beautiful mangoes. Next, I'm going to add half of avocado for healthy fats. Next, I'm going to add a very little piece of ginger. You wanna make sure that you are not putting much of a ginger because it's going to overpower the taste. So I'm just putting a little bit of it. And lastly, I'm going to put Chia Seeds, which is a superfood and high in omega-3 fatty acids. And lastly, I'm going to put half of a lime, which will help in detoxification process and will alkaline your body. And this one is also rich in vitamin C, so it reinforces the immune system. And to blend everything together, I'm using coconut water, but you can use plain water if you wish to. I just like adding coconut water to my smoothies because it provides hydration and it's a natural electrolyte. And I'm going to blend everything nicely. So if you are someone who loves refreshing smoothies, you are going to love this stuff. The avocado adds a very nice creaminess to the smoothie, and the hint of lemon and ginger is just amazing. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys to try this one and let me know what do you feel about it in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you are enjoying this 30-day smoothie challenge, and I'm gonna link every videos from day 1 to day 10 in my description box down below, so feel free to check that as well. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Until then, bye.